Hey everyone, in this tutorial I wanted to go over how you can create your own aura for EdTech. So what you need to do once we're logged in, we're going to create our new aura. So I'm going to click this create my new aura. Then I'm going to click upload trigger. We need something that when we scan using our HP Reveal app, what it will do. So we need a trigger image to allow it to connect to something, to connect to our overlay. I'm going to use from file, or if you have from Dropbox. I'm also going to name my trigger. I'm just going to name it giraffe for now. From my file, I'm going to browse the picture that I want, that when I scan, the overlay will be activated. And down in the right-hand corner, I'm going to click Save. So it's going to upload my trigger image. Then once I'm happy with the image, I'm going to click Next. And I want to see everything, so I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Now, once I scan, I need it to be sent to go do something. So I'm going to click Upload Overlay. So this is what will happen when my picture is scanned. And you can use audio, an image, a video, or even a 3D model. I'm going to do a video, and I can't do my entire read-along video, but what I can do is my intro. So I'm going to use my introduction as my overlay for now. If you want to give it a description, I'm just going to label it introduction. That was the labeling that I had saved that video on, and it's going to now add that overlay. Once it's done uploading and processing, it will place it on top of my overlay, and this is where it will look. Do I want it to be here? Do I want to resize it? Do I want to move it to a different location? Any of that will work. I'm just going to leave it here in the middle, maybe shrink it down a little bit, but I'm just going to leave it here in the middle. Notice that there is different colors that you can change your border to, because every time you add a new overlay, it'll have a new color for it. I'm also going to add actions to this. So I can choose the different actions that I'd like. So when the overlay is tapped, when the overlay is double tapped, after it has finished, after it started, after time delay. I want that after my small intro video has finished, I want this to automatically go to a website. So I want it to load a URL. And all I need to do is go to my YouTube upload of myself reading the book, Giraffes Can't Dance. I want to share and copy the share link and copy that right into here. So once my overlay, once it's scanned and it starts my little intro video, once it has finished, it will upload the YouTube video so that it will read the book to them. So then I'll click Save. You'll notice over here on the right-hand side that it tells us the action. So when the overlay has finished, it's going to load this YouTube video. You can then go ahead and preview by scanning using your app to make sure it works the way you'd like it to work. When you're finished and you like the way it goes, you can go ahead and click Next. I'm going to rename my aura Giraffes Can't Dance Read Along. Then click Save so that it saves that edit for myself, and then I'm going to close. Once I close, I see that Giraffes Can't Dance is now a part of my auras, and that anybody who follows me will be able to scan this image, will see my intro, and will be automatically brought to my YouTube channel to watch the read along. I hope this helps you create wonderful projects with HP Reveal.